Mercedes AVTR is outright one of the groundbreaking concept car advanced vehicles that you can ever see. This is very futuristic and gives a sneak peek into how engineers, designers, trend scouts at Benz, Mercedes envision transportation in the long future. Are you excited to know more about this craziest futuristic car? Then stay tuned until the end of the video. Now, let's dive deep into this. It's a transformation and tight cooperation between the AVTR team and the designers of the display car, emission-free and filled with unwavering confidence. The Vision AVTR is an exquisite representation of the idea of a dynamic luxury saloon thanks to its 4 high-performance, near-wheel-built electric motors. The Vision AVTR raises the bar for EQ power with a combined engine power of more than 350 kilowatts. The 4 independently adjustable motors' power is managed in the most effective way possible for driving dynamics, but also very efficiently thanks to the clever and fully changeable torque distribution. The groundbreaking torque vectoring all-wheel drive allows for new freedoms, ensures the most significant degree of driving dynamics, and offers the highest level of active safety. This implies that each wheel can be operated independently depending on the driving conditions. In contrast to classic cars, the Vision AVTR may travel sideways by around 30 degrees since the front and rear axles can be driven concurrently or in different directions. The prototype car has a reptile-like aspect even when moving, thanks to the so-called crab movement. It's amazing, isn't it? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. We would love to hear from you. Organic battery technology. In keeping with its cutting-edge electric powertrain, the Vision AVTR was created. A robust and transportable high-voltage battery powers this. The new battery technique is based on the graphene-based organic cell chemistry for the first time, eliminating all rare, poisonous, and costly Earth-like metals. As a result, electromobility is no longer dependent on fossil fuels. The capacity to recycle through composting, which is 100% recyclable owing to the materiality, is also a revolutionary idea. As a result, Mercedes-Benz emphasizes the significant importance of a future circular economy in the raw materials industry. Incredible rapid charging abilities. The technology is impressive for its extraordinary high energy density, compared to current battery systems with up to 1,200 Wh per liter, and its extraordinary quick charging capacity using automated conductive charging technology. In less than 15 minutes, the battery will have fully recharged. With a local minimum of 94 mm, the battery fits nicely into the shared space vehicle concept, maximizing the multi-purpose interior. The unique technology also provides us maximum flexibility concerning the building area. The Vision AVTR has an electric range of more than 700 kilometers and a capacity of about 110 kilowatt per hour. The high-voltage battery may be recharged while driving more effectively than the current systems by recovering during rollout and braking, which raises the system's total energy efficiency. Efficiency masterpiece. At Mercedes-Benz, efficiency is considered in a much broader sense than just drive concept, and the performance of the many so-called secondary consumers and their adequate energy supply come into sharper focus with growing digitalization without harming the drive power of the vehicle itself. An important goal in creating new computer chips is the reduction of energy usage per processing operation. With the development of sensors and artificial intelligence in the automobile sector, this tendency will persist in the upcoming years. The Vision AVTR's neuro-inspired design strategy, which includes so-called neuromorphic technology, aims to keep the energy needs of sensors, processors, and other parts to few watts. The integrated solar plates on the rear of the Vision AVTR's stored current supply its energy. As bionic flaps, the 33 multidirectionally movable surface elements function. Inside and outside blend. Mercedes-Benz adopted a brand new design technique for the Vision AVTR for the first time. Interior, exterior, and the UX design disciplines are integrated into the holistic idea from the first drawing. An inside-out design strategy starts with the individual and how they see the world. The design approach starts with the passenger's experience and intentionally concentrates on their perceptions and wants. The goal was to create a vehicle that improves how its occupants perceive it. It was also essential to create an immersive environment allowing passengers to interact uniquely with one another, the car, and the surroundings. Eco-friendly materials. A color-changing cloth inspired by the underwater color palette is used to embellish large portions like the sky and the black shell of the seat. The fabric's color shifts with a delicate light blue and dark blue dependent on the light. The vegan Dynamica leather refines these seats. The first and only material, Dynamica, ensures environmental sustainability at every stage of manufacture. It comprises recycled PET plastic bottles, old garments, and flags. Low pollutant emissions and energy usage are taken into consideration throughout the manufacture. The adaptability, excellent performance, and premium quality of Dynamica make it ideal for use in opulent automobile interiors. Additionally, it ensures that no one will slide off the chairs. Smoothness of the material makes the inhabitants feel at home.